This verse is glorifying Vrindavan for its unique sweetness. But it places particular places in Vrindavan possess tremendous power in and of themselves. That's what they're called lilas, special places of lila. Like, what's the difference between going into Seva Kunj and sitting there and chanting japa, and going to Chaitanya Vihar and sitting down somewhere in an empty lot and chanting japa? Or going to Madhavan Colony, and sit in an empty lot, or sit in your own apartment, wherever it may be. Madhavan Colony, Chaitanya Vihar, here or there, whatever, Raman Reti. Oh, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Now that's nice. Now go to Seva Kunj at 5 o'clock in the morning and chant. This is a place of lila. Your apartment is not a place of lila. Radha and Krishna don't come there every day and have Astakali lila. Don't get me wrong, it's very nice to have a flat in a place anywhere in the Holy Dham, or any Holy Dham. But the lila stalis are the lila stalis. It's not all one. It's all one, it's Vrindavan, but it's different. There's huge difference. Gokul is charged up. Gokul Dham is charged up. It's anukulya and favorable for Vatsalya Bhav, especially in Sakya Bhav. But Madhurya Bhav, if you're a seeker of Madhurya Bhav, then you want to be in a Madhurya Lila place. So the Sad Goswamis, they did bhajan in Vrindavan, not in Raman Reti, not in Chaitanya Vihar, not in Madhavan Colony. Rupa Goswami, Jiva Goswami, the Sad Goswamis, they did bhajan in Seva Kunj, and Nidhiban, and Dir Samir, and Gauridas Pandit, he has a Mandri form also, Sakhi form. Gauridas Pandit, he did bhajan in Dir Samir. Dir Samir is in the middle of the Rasastali. So Vamshivad, Gopishwar Mahadev, Dir Shamir, Govindagat, Keshigat, that whole place is all Yamuna Pulina, from Imli Tala, you see the furthest away from the person that was furthest away from the Leela Stalis was Sanatana Goswami on the top of the hill at Dwarasaditya Tila and Madan Mohan Temple. But that's, of course, Kaliyadaha. But then that's also where Prabodhananda Saraswati, that's nearby Kaliyadaha. There's Kaliyadaha. But that's actually closer than Kaliyadaha. I think so. Is it right? Yeah. I haven't lived in Vrindavan for 14 years. I've been here. So that's the city limits. That's the Leela limits. They have city limits. Okay. Thank you for visiting Los Angeles. Welcome to whatever. So that's the limit of the Leela. So beyond that, even Vrindavan itself, no one even lived beyond that. There is nothing beyond that but forest and jungle, mostly desert. Madhavan Colony and Chaitanya, that's all desert. Even today, it's all desert. You dig in, all sand there. From there all the way out to Chatikar Road, to Delhi Agra Highway is practically desert, like Rajasthan. That side, the south side of Sonrak Road, where Madhavan Colony is, that's all desert, and all the way out to the Delhi Agra Highway. On the north side of that Madhavan Colony Road, Sonak Road, that's Yamuna flood bank. The Yamuna would come there. The Yamuna was flowing there. That's why there was huge, big trees there, and so many peacocks, and it's a whole different place. And when all these tankers are running around Vrindavan with water, they're drilling the water from there. They're catching the water from there on the east, on that side of Iskan Goshala, north, all there. That's the Yamuna floodplain. So the water is sweet. And all the water anywhere else. Madhavan Colony, my friend has a house. 20 years ago, he bought a house there. He dug 320 feet in the ground. 320 feet, 120 meters. 120 meters in the ground to get water. Here you drink 20 feet. 20 feet and you get water. Yamuna's side is 50 feet. It's a desert. There's no water there. So this is important, the place itself. So Das Goswami, he came to Braj, to Radhakund.